Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome, my dear students, with you, Mr. Mahmoud Sulaiman from Ashafa General Institute. Our lesson today about decimal. What is the meaning of decimal? Let's explore decimal. A decimal is a number with one or more digits to the right of the decimal point. If I have a like like a point, like this point, it's called the decimal point. If I have one or more digits to the right of the decimal point, to the right of the decimal point, in this in this right hand side. So if I have a number here, this called decimal. This called decimals. So let's explore it. If I have a rectangle like this rectangle and divided it into 10 equal parts. So this whole rectangle called one whole. It's one whole 1.0. Point zero adds right of any number. It's nothing. It's meaning one whole without any decimal. Zero decimal. There is not exist any decimal here. If I want to represent this colored bar by a decimal, how can I represent it? I have 10 equal parts, and this colored part is 1. So I have 1 over 10, 1/10 of a whole, 1/10 of a whole. Read as 1/10, 0.1, and I write it in decimal 0.1. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colored bar from 10 equal bar So I have a fraction 7/10 and read as 7/10. Write 0.7. Next, write the fraction and decimal for the colored bar. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4 colored bar from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From 10 equals bar. So we have here 4 over 10. 4 over 10. We have here 10 equal parts and color part is 2. So we have here 2 over 10. It's written in decimal as 0.2. 0.2. 4 tenths it's equal 0.4. Any fraction at the denominator 10, we write it in decimal as 0 point and any number at the numerator written here. It's probably one digit here. So number C, we have 10 equal part and color part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have a fraction here. So 7 over 10, written in fraction as 0.7. Number D, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 color part at the numerator and the denominator all equal parts equal 10. It's written as 0.5, 0.5 as a decimal number. So write example number 2 color to represent it with the following decimal. Number is 0.5 is equal to 5 tenths. 5 tenths is 10 equal part 5 is 5 colored part. And number B, number C, number D as number E. Exploring hundreds. Hundreds if we have a whole rectangle like this rectangle and I divided this rectangle into 100 equal parts. Whole one is colored. So if I take this square, this small square. This represent from all the rectangle. This represent 1/100 part. So we have here one part is colored 1/100th of a whole. Read as 100th, write 0.01. 100 written in fraction is 0.01. If we have 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35, 35 part colored. So we have 35 over what is the total number of equal parts? It's 100. So we have 35 over 100. So we have 35 hundredths written as 0.35. Example number 3, write the decimals that represent each colored bar. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 56, 56 here. We have 56 bar, colored bar from 100, and I want to write the decimal, not a fraction. So we have it's equal here 0.56, 0.56. Number B, we have 40 color bar from 100, so the fraction equal 40 over 100 and written in decimal as 0.0.40 hundredths. So if I want to represent number C, we have 97, 97 equal 97 color bar from 100. So we have 90. So we have 97 hundreds, 97 hundreds. Here we have 800s. How we can write 800s? We can write it as 0.0.08 because we have here 100, so we have 800s. If I write it here in replace this 0 by 8, so we have 8 tenths, not 800s, 8 tenths. So we take as base this place value represent tenths and this place value represent hundreds. So if I want to write 7 tenths as a decimal, we can write it 0.7. The first digit or the first number after decimal point write or read as tenths place. Second number after decimal point we can read it as a hundredths place. 5 tenths it's equal 0.5. 3 tenths 0.3. 2 tenths 0.2. 0.2. Example, write each of the following as a decimal. We write it as a decimal. We finished our lesson today. See you next week. My lovely students.